Welcome back. It's time for Eco Lights. Eco Lights Luminac, a showroom, was inaugurated at Margaon. The showroom is full of variety of LED lights for residential and commercial projects. Have a look.
We specialize to meet all the customer requirements. Solid state lighting has emerged and being a very big benefit to the mankind. Solar along with LED lights reduces a lot of carbon dioxide and brings a lot of energy efficiency, energy conservation. We are working very closely to bring a lot of innovative designs.
Yash Fateh is the latest star from Goan squash to shine in the Junior International Squash Circuit. Yash produced a fantastic performance in his recent foreign tour as he won a title in Germany and a silver medal in Holland. The Vasco-based boy will now head to Mumbai for an NSCI junior event and then to Hong Kong.
India's top under-13 squash star Yash Fateh went on fighting to top seed Jared Carter of England to finish runner-up in the Dutch Junior Open Squash Championship. Otherwise, the talented youngster would have won his second consecutive silverware of the Europe Tour. Third seed Yash had won the Pioneer Cup title in Germany last week. Before that, Yash had clinched second place at the 21st Asian Junior Individual Championship in Iran. Yash is a student of St. Joseph's Institute and has now conquered talented French boy Taufik Mekhalfi twice, boys from US, Hungarian European number 2 Tamas Dewald in his foreign tour. This success has boosted his confidence. Yash also put up a great resistance against England number 1 Carter before going down fighting in the final in Holland. With success being his first name, Yash is the first boy from Goa to shine in squash at the international level. Akanksha Sarunke had been the first sportsperson from the state to put Goa on world's squash map before Yash consolidated Goa's image as a developing squash nursery. Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.